Homeostasis operates by two mechanisms, feedback and feed-forward. The feedback system is again divided into negative and positive. Negative feedback is a change in variable that can cause a response which is opposite to that of the stimulus, whereas positive feedback is a change in variable that can cause the same response to that of the stimulus. Few of the common examples of negative feedback include regulation of blood pressure and regulation of hormone secretion. In case of regulation of hormone secretion, whenever there is an increase in the production of hormone, it goes back to the point where the hormone was synthesized and tries to inhibit that structure to prevent further secretion of hormone. So if the thyroid hormone is increasing in secretion, it goes back to the hypothalamus, to the anterior pituitary, and inhibits the further production of hormones that can increase the synthesis of thyroid. So this is a way of thyroid hormone to regulate its own secretion. Same way, in case of regulation of blood pressure, any stimulus that can trigger the rise of blood pressure is immediately detected by the baroreceptors, which are situated inside the carotid sinus and the aortic sinus. These receptors immediately send out a response to the vasomotor center, which corrects the changes of rise in blood pressure, and this information is relayed back to the blood vessels, which causes vasodilation, and now the blood pressure is decreased, leading to return of normalcy. The other example for negative feedback mechanism is decrease in the plasma volume could trigger the osmoreceptors in the hypothalamus that can cause the production of antidiuretic hormone, which eventually retains the volume of plasma that is filtered and prevents the formation of urine in order to conserve more and more volume inside the body. And it also triggers the thirst mechanism for which the organism tries to look for the sources of water and replenish the body demand for body fluids.